Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get the new Kraken in Creatures of Sonaria. Start by unlocking the deep sea biome and gather kelp shards and abyssal pearls from reef and trench areas. Next, upgrade your survival gear to level 5 so you can withstand pressure and cold while hunting leviathans. Finally, combine 10 kelp shards with 3 abyssal pearls at the ritual altar to begin the Kraken's summoning sequence. Prepare your team and inventory before attempting the Kraken ritual. Craft pressure-resistant armor from iron plates and reinforced predator scales to reduce drowning risk. Pack antidotes and thermal packs for toxins and hypothermia commonly found in the trench. Coordinate with 2 other players so you have a team of 3 for shared aggro and quick revives. Assign roles for tanking, healing, and resource gathering to streamline the summoning process and improve success chances. Quick recommendation before we continue. If you like tidy setups while grinding for loot, I use leak-proof containers to keep snacks and bento meals safe during long sessions. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and cut down on mess when you need a quick recharge between runs. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making guides and reviews. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow the summoning steps carefully to trigger the Kraken encounter. Travel to the ritual altar at the trench lowest point during high tide to ensure proper spawn conditions. Place exactly 10 kelp shards and 3 abyssal pearls on the altar, then ignite the sigil using an ember stone to start the ritual. After activation, defend the altar for roughly 90 seconds against minion waves until the Kraken fully manifests for the final battle and reward drops.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.